My name is Christopher and I work as a counsellor at the Student Health Services in Stockholm. My name is Sofia and I am an occupational health nurse. We work preventively and our goal is to support you and your health during your studies. This is our team of associates. Hello! Our team consists of psychologists, counsellors and occupational health nurses. We offer short contacts for support and advice. We help you with problems such as stress, anxiety, worry, mild depression and study-related problems. You book an appointment on our website. You can choose to come to our office, telephone counselling or do a walk and talk. We post new bookable times every Friday. With us occupational health nurses, you can book appointments to talk about your general health, such as diet, lifestyle habits, exercise or sleep. Everyone who works at the Student Health Services has a duty of confidentiality and all visits are free of charge. At the Student Health Services, we offer several different group activities. We offer groups in stress management, stop procrastinating and fear of public speaking. We also have groups for physical activity and lunch yoga. Our current program can be found on our website. Welcome to the Student Health Services. We are here for you throughout your studies.